This meditation is for my partner, my teammate, my love. If you're here and you cherish a bond like ours with your partner, I say this to you too. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably, together with your partner or individually. Allow yourself to relax. Gently close your eyes. Begin to breathe deeply and slowly. Inhale deeply through your nose, drawing in love and commitment. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any distractions or stress, clearing the way for connection and appreciation. With each breath, feel your body relax more and more deeply. Letting go of the day's demands and embracing the comfort of our shared space. As you continue to breathe, visualize a gentle, glowing light enveloping us. This light represents our love, our dreams, and the life we are building together. Feel its warmth, its promise, and its security wrapping around us, strengthening our bond. Imagine this light as a warm embrace from me. With each challenge we face, our light shines brighter. Our connection deepens. You are not just my partner, you are my greatest support. And together we create a formidable team. I am here for you. See us walking through a serene setting, a place we love, or a new place we dream of exploring. This place is lined with reminders of our achievements, our laughter, our love. See the life you've built and the journey ahead of us still. I love you, and I appreciate all that you do for us. Your strength and your dedication inspire me every day. Together we are creating a wonderful life, and we are nurturing a loving family. Let's find a peaceful place and sit for a moment. Let the sounds of nature and calm around us reinforce our connection. Think back on our shared goals, our shared dreams, feeling grateful for our journey and excitement for what's yet to come. Allow yourself to absorb the peace and the love of this moment. With each breath, draw in more joy and more connection. With each exhale, release any worries, knowing that together we can handle anything. We are stronger and stronger every day. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present. Feel the surface beneath you, the air on your skin, and my presence beside you or in your heart. Take a few more deep, cleansing breaths. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to your life, feeling refreshed and reassured of our connection, our deep bond. Every day with you is a blessing, and together we are building a beautiful home and family. Thank you for not only being my partner, but a true friend